Hello and welcome to another quick installment of the TSI Tech Tips video library. Today we're going to be talking about the Z-tube, which is a drain line that allows us to run our condensate out the left hand side of the furnace. One of the comments we've got is difficulty installing this thing as we're sliding across. Some guys are having trouble having to pull the inducer off in order to be able to get it in. Today I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to get that done without disassembling things. One of the first hints that I'll give you is as you're coming in the left hand side, to prevent having to disassemble the interior of the furnace, if you're going to be up against a wall, return ductwork here or something, make sure we actually slide this thing in prior to putting this up against the wall or attaching our return duct to keep some room here. So as you can see, I've got the pressure switch removed and the inducer harness kind of tucked away just so we get a little better view of what we're looking at here. So as you can see, depending on our positioning, if we try to slide this across, we end up interfering with the inducer housing, or we end up getting pinched and can't get that through. So the easiest way to do this is put this first bend of this Z-tube on the blower deck slightly forward from this back lower panel. We're going to take the second bend and put it right up against the bent piece of that lower panel. And as we slide that through, we'll get just a little resistance as we come across the inducer. 2 fingers, you can slide that right across. Now we can make our connections over on the condensate trap elbow. One suggestion I'll make as we're putting this together is when we're clamping that rubber elbow from the condensate trap to the Z-tube, is we want to make sure that the Z-tube is rotated such that it runs level or flat all the way across that bottom panel. If we've got it pivoted down like this, we've run the chance of creating a double trap, which could give us condensate drainage issues down the road. Hopefully that helps make the installation of that Z-tube a little bit easier for you and makes your day go a little quicker. Thanks, and we'll catch you next time.